each monstrosity.
I'm raw than a motherfucker. You run up on me, I shoot you, I'm a motherfucker. I'm the realest nigga that you will ever meet. I got that long dick, heavy ski. I flow all day like damn nigga. When it come to getting pussy, I go ham nigga. I give a damn nigga. What you saying, dawg? Cock back the flow. I start spraying, dawg. Yeah. I'm the fucking best. Chopper aiming at your chest. Got your girlfriend screaming yes. Right there, it's the beast talking shit. Then I release flow. Your girlfriend nasty on my dick. She release blow. Cause I'm a trill nigga. Yes, I'm a real nigga. Break your fucking grill nigga. How you fucking feel nigga? You's a little nigga. And I'm a big dog. Big ass flow. Yeah, pick up your shit dog. Yeah.
What the fuck, my nigga going ham? See the bitches, niggas see us, goddamn. So we fucking deep, beating niggas heat. Ground this bitch, and you know my nigga bring the fleet. And you know we bring that Glock, and you know we bout the cock it in your fucking mouth. Flash your ass to down south. And we going where all the hood niggas. These pussy ass niggas, they good niggas. What they screaming on? They ain't about none that shit. All these niggas like to talk, and they just a little bitch. Man, these bitches something right there. And these bitches get these hoes, but these hoes are smart ass bitches. I don't want none of this that goes.
Bow. Mississippi hood nigga. I'm on my wood shit. What's good, bitch? I'm a savage. I eat a lot of cabbage, and when it come to flow, I bet my shit is above average. Oh, yeah. Get it, ho. Your girlfriend let a nigga hit it, though. I ain't gotta talk. She talking about it. And when it come to fucking, I have her walking about it. I have her ass screaming, hollering, and busting nuts. Busting shit. Cussing, bitch. Run up on me, get your pussy ass a concussion. You blushing. Yep, I am blushing. What you doing? Nigga look into it. Cause you run up, we gon' do it. Pussy nigga look into it. Huh. Yeah. Yeah.